All right, everybody, it's like day 2 at camp, and sorry I didn't really catch back up with you guys, but last night I mean, it was just me and Finn, and we slept pretty dang good back there in the SMARTCAP. Really bummed out that the tent didn't come this weekend, but it was pretty comfy. Me and Finn, Kate came up today, so we're gonna see how it is with 2 people plus the dog, Finn, and yeah, I love the SMARTCAP. It's been so nice. I can't wait to get my tent on top and, you know, rearrange some things, because some things are in the way when I need them and whatnot, you know, just organization type of deal. But so far it's been like really watertight, and I feel like sleeping back there, since it is completely sealed and watertight and everything, that it holds the warmth, which is really nice when you're camping. And it's pretty cold out, you know, it's a little windy over here on the rim, and we ended up moving camp spots up a little bit more, so we're away from the edge, so we don't get, you know, all the wind on us all day, because it was pretty windy. But come check out the setup and so far what we got going on here. All right, so this is what we got going on so far. So I have my trash room hanging out over here. I got the Iceco VVL 35 Pro S, and let me tell you, this thing is a game changer. I love this thing. I have my power bank down over here, so power bank's running that. It's a 1000 watt hour PB1000 from Iceco, so I have the dual Iceco system, and if that's what you're looking for, definitely get one. It's pretty nice. But this is the sleeping quarters, so I have my mattress folded out this way. We're gonna put the fridge in the truck tonight, and then me and Kate are gonna sleep back here with Finley. I'm probably gonna sleep crooked because I'm 6'3" and Kate's pretty tall, and Finn, so we're gonna have to try to make something work here. But the cabana mode is really nice. I have my lights hooked up here, so once it starts getting dark, kind of have light all around. I wish those had the red lights, but it doesn't have red light, so we're gonna do something different about that. Get some cool Molly stuff right here, so eventually we can take all this out and have storage and have it all nice. And then we'll have our new tent over top here, and can't wait for that. But so far this is what we're dealing with, and it's been pretty nice. But yeah, that's the setup, what we got going on this weekend. So if you just have a SMARTCAP and you're like a single dude, or you got your fiance or something, this is doable. But we have 2 people and a dog, which might be pretty cramped. I'll inform you guys tomorrow how we sleep all back there. I have to say I slept warmer in this than I did in the soft topper, just because it's fully sealed all the way around. And you'd think that the walls are really cold, and they are, but it kind of seals everything, so you don't really feel the cold outside. But it's been pretty nice. It has no windows, so I woke up kind of late this morning, but it's nice. You like push the buttons on the inside, the door opens, and you're like, whoa, look at that beautiful sunset. But we're just gonna have fun by camp and hang out and everything, and I'll throw some drone shots up here. We're kind of check out. So yeah, tonight I'll throw some drone shots up here. We're just kind of hanging out and enjoying the nice cool weather. Adam's family's here from California and North Carolina. His whole house was in the hurricanes, and he's out here right now. We're kind of just enjoying the nice weather. It's a little chilly. I got some gloves on, but we're just gonna have some fun by camp, and I'll check back in with you guys in the morning and let you know how it did with 2 people and a dog overnight and when it's cold outside. So see you guys tomorrow.